welcome to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is my first ever Christmas Decorate With Me video. In today's video we're going to decorate my Christmas tree, we'll put up the nativity scene outside, and I'll share a simmer pot recipe with you at the end. We're so excited to be saying goodbye to fall and hello to Christmas. Let's get started putting up the tree. We have an old school Christmas tree that was passed on to us from a friend nearly 20 years ago, and to be honest, this big old tree feels like part of the family. Hey friends, welcome to day 2 of my Christmas Decorate With Me. Today is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. Here's the replacement lights that my husband and Jack had to run up to Walmart this morning to get on Black Friday morning. When we went to light our tree last night, every strand of lights that we owned was no good. They were all broken. With 6 fresh strings of lights, it's time to get down to business. We also put pearls on our tree every year. I don't remember why I started doing this. I think maybe it was a trend in the 90s, but we like it, so we just stick with it. Now it's time for the Christmas ornaments. I'm not someone who likes to change things up every year. I keep it pretty old school. I find comfort in Christmas traditions, and I think the kids look forward to seeing the Christmas decorations from their childhoods too. Let's head outside to see how the outside decorating is going. Perfect little fella. Every year we love to put up this nativity scene that was built by my husband. So how do you think today's going, Maggie? It could be better. Good answer. Is there blood on it?
I think so. It's slightly darker than the rest of it.
Hey friends, I just want to take a minute to say thanks for being here and watching my Christmas series. I really appreciate every comment, like, and subscriber. It means more to me than you know. These shiny bright ornaments are from my grandparents' Christmas tree from the 1950s, and they bring back so many memories. I've got another Christmas video coming soon to my Christmas series, and I'll be showing you my collection of vintage Christmas decorations. It's a Wonderful Life is one of my favorite Christmas movies. That makes this ornament so special to me. What are some of your favorite Christmas movies? Tell me in the comments below. this year I switched from silver to gold ornaments on my mantle, and we used some of these big plastic ornaments to disguise the nails for our stockings. Can y'all believe that one year somebody stole the baby Jesus right out of the manger? The next year I searched thrift stores and even Walmart, and I wasn't able to find a hard plastic baby doll, so we had an empty manger. But then on Christmas Eve, a good Samaritan placed a baby in the manger, and boy, we were surprised and so thankful at their act of kindness. I got the recipe for the simmer pot from the Christmas Favorites Holiday Handbook from the 1980s, and I'll type the recipe for you below in the description box. I wasn't able to find the cinnamon sticks locally, so I ordered them on Amazon, and I'll link that for you below too. I wanted to let you know that I just signed up for the Amazon Associate Program. If you order anything that I have linked, I'll receive a small commission at no extra cost to you, and it'll help support my channel. We tried the simmer pot 2 different ways. The first time we tried it in a little crock pot that I got at a thrift store for $3, but you just couldn't smell it well enough. So then we tried it on a pot on the stove, and it was perfect. We even added some cranberries. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government will be upon his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace.